Hey buddy! This is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best subwoofers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best subwoofers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SVS SB-1000 Pro. The SVS SB-1000 Pro sealed subwoofer is a compact yet highly capable audio solution for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. This subwoofer packs an impressive 325W RMS and 820W peak power, offering deep and precise bass performance that fills the room without overwhelming it. Its sleek, sealed design ensures minimal distortion, providing clean, accurate bass for any setup. Despite its compact size, this SVS model offers a remarkable blend of power and finesse, making it an ideal addition to various sound systems, including both music setups and movie theaters. The SB-1000 Pro is designed to elevate your audio experience with punchy bass, clear sound, and effortless integration. This subwoofer features a 12-inch high excursion driver, allowing for deep, powerful bass even at high volumes. Equipped with a 50 MHz analog devices DSP, it ensures precise frequency control and a smooth, accurate response across a wide range of frequencies, 20 Hz to 70 Hz. And number 2. Monolith by Monoprice 13-inch THX Ultra Certified Subwoofer. Monolith by Monoprice 13THX is huge, heavy, and lacks the convenience of app-controlled onboard automated EQ and curve selection. But if you have more than generous space and budget, it's all the subwoofer you or anyone else will ever need. Got bass? I do. Boy, do I ever. Monolith by Monoprice's newest THX Ultra Certified 13-inch behemoth. You might think that a 13-inch sub would be just a bit bigger than a typical 12-inch job, maybe 15 or 16 inches wide, and perhaps as heavy as 70 or 80 pounds. Think again. The 13THX, what I'm calling it since Monolith's sub does not appear to have a name per se, is roughly 20 by 24 by 29 inches, WXHXD, and tips the scales at a svelte 153.2 pounds. And that's the little one. There's also a companion 16THX, yes, with a 16-inch driver that weighs 176 pounds. The new THX certified subs, like the rest of the Monolith line of subwoofers, speakers, and components, comes from Monoprice, the direct marketer that started out with cable and computer accessories but has grown into a giant seller of all things audio and much more. And number 3. PreSonus Eris Sub-1000 8-inch. The PreSonus Eris Sub-1000, a front-firing 8-active subwoofer, complements full-range monitors such as the Eris Studio 3.5 or Studio 5. When you add a subwoofer to your monitor setup, you can hear the low-frequency basis of your mix more precisely, helping you to make better judgments and build more translatable mixes. The Eris Sub-1000 uses a 50W RMS Class AB amplifier to power the 8 composite woofer, which has a frequency response of 30 to 200 Hz and a maximum SPL of 103 dB. The rear panel contains a comprehensive set of controls for fine-tuning the subwoofer's performance, including input gain, a continuously variable low-pass filter for achieving a seamless crossover transition, and a switchable high-pass filter that removes content below 80 Hz from the full-range signal sent to the monitors. And number 4. SoundTown METIS Series Powered Subwoofer. The SoundTown METIS 18PWG is a powerful yet portable 18-inch powered subwoofer that delivers earth-shaking punchy lows to your live rig. It handles formidable 700 watts RMS, 2,400 watts peak power and reproduces low frequencies all the way down to 35 Hz. With top-quality components built in and Class D power amplifier engineered, the SoundTown METIS 18PWG subwoofer is second to none when it comes to adding massive bass to your PA system while it doesn't break your bank. A larger voice coil is equivalent to better control over the speaker cone, improved damping and enhanced linearity. While it makes the subwoofer more difficult to assemble, it helps generate thumping bass and add serious low-end frequencies to the subwoofer. The SoundTown METIS series subwoofers use a top-quality 4-inch voice coil which has superb power handling capabilities and delivers punchy tight bass. Low-end frequencies to the subwoofer. The SoundTown METIS series subwoofers use a top-quality 4-inch voice coil which has superb power handling capabilities and delivers punchy tight bass. And number 5. Polk Audio PSW10. The Polk Audio PSW10 is a subwoofer that delivers decent bass output and is ideal for home audio systems. The subwoofer comes with a built-in high-current amplifier and a 10-inch polymer composite dynamic balance cone driver for deep bass reproduction. The amplifier has a continuous power of 50 watts and a dynamic power of up to 100 watts. The entire subwoofer is housed in a non-resonant MDF enclosure construction with 0.75-inch baffles and internal bracing to reduce bass resonance and create a tighter bass impact. The enclosures are tuned for distortion-free low frequencies and eliminate standing waves to create a solid bass impact. The entire subwoofer is capable of delivering sound output at high volume levels without any distortion. The subwoofer comes with a resonance-free dynamic balance driver that remains stiff and moves fast for a much fuller bass impact. It also comes with professional-grade line and speaker inputs and outputs for easy connection to any home theater system. Overall, the Polk Audio PSW10 is a really good portable subwoofer that delivers really good value for money and comes highly recommended.